We're excited to announce our brand new online course, Machine Embroidery 101. Everything you need to know before you start embroidering. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com. There's so many common questions that people ask, but embroidery is a journey. There's things to always be learning. So we're going to be covering everything from stabilizers, needles, tension, threads, everything that can go wrong with an embroidery machine and how to fix it. There's so many common problems that people run into and don't know what is wrong and often get discouraged. In this course, everything is all together in one place. So if you're tired of going here to find this information and going here to get this little bit and realizing it would be so nice to have it all in one place, you have found the course for you. Machine Embroidery 101 was inspired by a class that we have taught for years in our store. But now it is a 4-hour online course that you can go back to over and over again. When you enroll in one of our online courses, you will find that you can come back to it for years to come. It is yours to keep for life. We have lots of ideas and samples to inspire you, plus an In the Hoop project and a handful of embroidery designs that will be included with this course. We're the ones that have done the Embroidery Essentials online course, which is our most popular course to date, with thousands of students around the world mastering their embroidery machine. This course is designed to work with any brand of embroidery machine. And those of you who have already started embroidering, you too can benefit from over 4 hours of online instruction of everything that it takes to successfully embroider on just about everything. I've been embroidering for years and have had the opportunity to be around when embroidery machines first became available to the home market. I even worked at a commercial embroidery store prior to working for Burning of America and Oklahoma Embroidery, one of the premier companies that provides commercial embroidery stabilizers for home embroiders and hundreds of thousands of embroidery designs that you can instantly download and be embroidering in minutes. We're going to help you with successfully downloading designs and also help you with how to store designs for easier reference when you want to find that exact one you know you own, but you don't remember where you put it. We recommend that in this course, you can jump around to the lessons that you need immediately. Go to stabilizers, go to hooping, stitch out some of the designs that are included in the bonus section of this course. We even have a handful of videos that you can preview for free to see if this course is right for you. As our embroidery journey progresses, we are ready for new information as we try new techniques. So coming back and rewatching the videos every couple months will help you become a better embroiderer. So I hope you'll join me on your embroidery journey as I can help you become a machine embroidery expert. So the next time you're challenged to work on fabric you're not comfortable with, I'll help you pick the right stabilizers to guarantee it's going to look perfect when you're done. Make sure you check out all the free videos that we have noted as preview so you can see what you're going to be learning within this course. Remember, these 4 hours of embroidery tips and information are designed to make you be the best embroiderer possible. I look forward to seeing you in class soon.